Welcome to London, welcome to Richmond, welcome to Paved Court Road. This is essentially where Ted Lasso has started, as evidenced by this. Not sure which one of these apartments on the first floor he occupied, but this was his morning walk to the Richmond Green. There's the Prince's Head, there's the pub. Welcome to Richmond Green. This is essentially where the show got its start, and this is the most iconic angle of it as we look upon the little square where Ted would start his morning. There's the Prince's Head, there's the pub. There's sprinklings of Ted Lasso paraphernalia here and there. It's not as heavy as I might have expected it to be, but yeah, we are right now in the spot. I'll go in the pub a little bit later, but for the time being, take a look around. I can't help but wonder how tired the locals are of the attention. I mean, it must be good for business, but having a bunch of tourists randomly taking photos of buildings has got to be annoying. So we'll take a sneaky little look into here and be on our way. Well, apparently the walk down Golden Court is worth it as well, if for no other reason than the barbershop. But there are a couple of other places with Ted Lasso paraphernalia here as well. Gents of Richmond, vintage grooming. Apparently some of it was filmed here too. Alright then. It's not particularly picturesque for all the construction, but still worth a look. And this is probably going to be the last one, at least in Richmond for the day. The Whitaker House and Whitaker Road. And if I'm not totally mistaken, there's the manhole cover that served as an entry point for the team's underground adventure. This may be it, this may not be it, but I don't see another one, quite frankly, so gonna have to assume that this is the one. And there's the paparazzi staircase from where all of this was filmed. It's an interesting little bit of trivia, and it was quite an important scene in the end, so yeah.